Hey lunatics, it's Lady Luna, and today we're going to be talking about the concept called everyone is you pushed out. You may have heard of this concept before in other types of mystical or law of attraction videos, and today we're going to explain what it means. If you haven't been to my channel before, my name is Lady Luna, also known as Luna Knight, and I'm a holistic life coach as well as a law of attraction coach. So, everyone is you pushed out. What does that phrase mean? This concept actually means that everyone you meet is actually you. This doesn't literally mean you are the same person as that person. It means that our perception dictates how other people appear to us. Our perception is based on how we feel about ourselves, and we push that perception out to the physical world. We literally project our perception of the good and bad qualities of our lives onto other people. The beliefs we have about other people come true, or at least we think they do. If we think someone is always saying negative things, we've programmed our minds to only listen for when that person speaks negatively. So every time they do, we say, "See, they're so negative, I knew it." But since everyone is just you pushed out, in this example, you would be projecting your own insecurities of being afraid of coming off as negative to other people, and you're putting it on that other person. The person may actually be quite positive most of the time, but since your intention to see them as being negative is there, that's all you're likely to see. This concept is very closely tied with things like the law of attraction. When we have a desire and a goal in our life, but we don't believe we could ever accomplish it, that belief stops us from ever making an effort to bring that dream to life. We project our insecurities onto what we believe would be the best version of ourselves, and we separate ourselves from that person. In reality, that best version is already who we are. We just have to refashion our intention and our behavior in order to match that best version of ourselves. This has often been related to subjects like the Pygmalion effect or the law of mirrors. It goes by many different names, but the concept is the same. We tend to project the things inside of ourselves onto other people. So the next time you feel like judging someone or looking down on someone, just remember everyone is you pushed out. How would you want someone else to see you? How would you want someone to intend you to be? Something interesting to think about. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe for more videos like this and push the bell so you know when a new video comes out. Definitely be sure to also push like on the video and leave a comment on what you think. If you made it this far in the video, be sure to put the secret word of the day, which is dreamer. Okay? Thanks for watching, guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye.